All right, we started off with one pizza crust. Now I'm coming in with my Libby's sausage gravy, and we're gonna put that right on top of our pizza crust. Ooh. All right, we're gonna start off with one can, but I do have a second can just in case, and we're gonna get all of that delicious gravy out, and we're gonna spread it from edge to edge. This is gonna be an easy, delicious breakfast to feed your whole family. It's literally gonna be all my favorite breakfast things in one dish. Oh, doesn't that gravy look incredible, babe?
Oh, I see the bits of sausage in there. I'm excited.
Oh my gosh, yeah, so that's the best part. Next, I'm coming in with my Tillamook triple cheddar, and we're gonna sprinkle our triple cheddar right on top of that sausage. Oh yeah, cheese, sausage, crust. You could also use biscuits instead of a pizza crust if that's what you prefer. You can use some Rhodes dinner rolls. You can use kind of whatever base you like, but I think that this pizza crust is gonna be perfect consistency for what I want. And then we're gonna use this whole bag of triple cheddar. I did get 2 bags because it was buy one, get one free, but I think one is just absolutely perfect for this. Just make sure to get from edge to edge. Now this is a breakfast, so I'm gonna come in with my scrambled eggs, and we're gonna kind of just sprinkle that right on top of our cheese. Oh my goodness, make sure your eggs are fully cooked because that crust is gonna cook super quick. Okay, that looks perfect. Go ahead and get that from edge to edge. This side kind of got heavy-handed with the eggs, but that's no problem at all. Next, I'm coming in with some ground sausage, and we're kind of just gonna sprinkle that because we do already have a little bit of sausage in there, so we don't need too much more, but I do want this to be extra meaty. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna use about 1/2 pound of our cooked sausage. All right, and get that edge to edge, kind of flatten it out. Oh my goodness. This is coming together beautifully. If you haven't been able to tell yet, we are making a breakfast pizza. So the gravy is the sauce. Of course, we have our cheese, and now we're doing our toppings. And I'm not done with my toppings yet. We have some delicious add-ons. I have my potatoes that I pre-cooked in the air fryer, and it's going right on top. What is breakfast without some potatoes, right?
Yeah, and they're nice and browned up.
Yep, browned up, and they'll get even more crispy once we get this in the oven. And we're just making sure that this is flat again, just like we did with all of our other ingredients. Now we're only missing one thing, and this is gonna be optional, but I'm gonna add it because I love this. And it is bacon. This is some pre-cooked bacon. I bought the already cooked bacon, and we're gonna go ahead and just kind of chop it up right on top of our breakfast pizza because this is just gonna be such a great add-on. Obviously, you can add whatever you like. If you don't like potatoes, you can skip the potatoes. If you want ham, you can add ham. But I think bacon and sausage are my favorite breakfast meats, so that's why I went with that. And also the sausage just goes so beautifully with that sausage gravy, right? Pat it down one more time. Now this is just about ready for the oven. I am actually gonna sprinkle in a little bit more cheese just to make sure everything sticks to our pizza crust. We don't want things falling off, right?
That's for sure.
Nice little sprinkle. Okay, this is ready. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for about 20 minutes. Oh my goodness, this smells incredible. Look how that cheese just browned up perfectly. This is ready. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and, since it's on parchment paper, we should be able to just
pull it,
slide it right off. Ooh, perfect. Time to cut into our pizza. Okay, perfectly cut. I think I'm gonna go for this little corner piece right here. Oh, smells so good. Oh my goodness. It's time to give this a try.
Is it good?
This is really, really good. You guys gotta try it.